Okay, well, at least once a month I have to oil the furnace motor, and this is the furnace motor, but I always check the air filter. And that one's starting to go bad, so we'll replace that later this week. A lot of people smoke in this place, so that's why. And there's the motor right there. I gotta get that little fuzzball. Just 1 second. Okay. There's the hole for the oil, and we'll just do a couple drops so it's lubed. So let me see if I can do this with 2 hands. That should be good. Don't want to put too much on. There. Watch your fingers when you're doing that. Okay, so that should be good for a little while. And the belt looks good. Fairly clean in here. And another thing we do is always check the soft water. I'll just put this back. Here. I'll have to put a bag of salt in that and make sure that's full so that it's soft water for the tenants. Okay, now there's a bag of salt there. That should keep them happy for 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, well, that's it for now, but I'll show you next time, later this week. Change the air filter on the furnace. Bye for now.